Is it a plane? No, it's both, stupid. Check this out. I saw this in 2004 for the first time. Amazingly, the program is very similar to that year. I think that's the year I met that Russian chick and got her phone number and talked to her and never actually met her again. But I got the 9 Inch Nails album with Teeth, and that is maybe their best album. Any second you're gonna hear this jet engine, which is apparently on here. Hey. God damn it. All right, here we go. See? Is that weird or what? Yes, this plane has a jet engine on board. Dude, if I had this plane, all I would do is fly it. People would be like, what the hell? They'd be like, shut up, Derek. And I'd be like, you gonna make me, bitch. It's getting away, but I'm catching up to it. There we go. That's a cool plane. That's right, gangsters. Now we can't see. Oh, there we go. This is shitty footage. Shit's like blowing right into it. I don't even know if I recorded that guy. I'm out of here.